Hello and welcome to our weekly updates on the Parole in Place program for spouses of United States citizens. My name is Aaron Hall. I'm with Joseph and Hall, and wanted to give whatever updates there are. They're not really a lot, but basically, as an overview, the Parole in Place program was put in place for spouses of U.S. citizens who have lived in the United States for at least 10 years. They started accepting applications on August 19th. And shortly thereafter, a federal court put in an administrative stay, basically saying they can keep accepting applications, but they cannot approve any applications. And so people are still applying, and you can still apply and kind of get your spot in the queue, but they can't be approved pending further actions from the courts. And when I say the courts, now it is up at the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which has ordered briefing from the government and the other parties, the states, and they've set oral argument for October 10th. So really, it's unlikely that there's going to be any new movement in the case until October 10th. And then after that, at any time, a decision could come, which could allow the program to start running again and allow for them to issue approvals, or it could make the stay longer. We don't really know what will happen at that point. As a reminder, if they are able to issue approval, it's going to be a huge deal for a lot of people. Why? Because it will allow them to fix their status here in the United States without leaving. So you won't have to leave and spend years abroad applying for waivers of inadmissibility for unlawful presence. The majority of people who are going to benefit from this program will be able to apply for adjustment of status, not have to file for waivers, and be able to fix their status here in the country without ever having to be separated from their spouse and family. So we're definitely keeping a close eye on it. It's definitely worth monitoring. And for those who do want to apply right now, we're still submitting applications, understanding that it's subject to this administrative stay from the courts right now. And if you have questions about it, you're free to reach out to us. If you're a client, reach out to your attorney. If you're not yet a client, you're welcome to schedule a consultation with one of our attorneys here. We'll talk you through the pros and cons of the program, talk you through how the court's administrative stay in the case might affect your case, your circumstances, and figure out what the best path forward is for you. Until then, we're doing these updates Mondays in English at 12 o'clock Denver time, Wednesdays in Espanol, 12 o'clock Denver time, and we'll keep monitoring this and keep making sure that we get all the information we have out to you. Until the next time, we'll see you later.